So ayun, nakita nyo na kanina, galing tayo sa Western Union. Every February 21st kasi, yan yung payout schedule ni Google sa mga YouTube creators. So this is my second time na sumweldo in a way kay YouTube. The first one was back in December. So that was my very first. I got about 12,700 pesos. And then nung January, medyo nag-lie low tayo. Although we were able to earn around $80 that time, kaya lang hindi siya pasok dun sa minimum payout amount ni Google, which is $100. So if that happens, nagki-carry over yan dun sa next month. For January and then February, I had a combined income of $147. It's not a lot, pero 'di ba, considering that you're doing something na hindi mo naman ginagawa full time, you're actually just doing it as a pastime nga, a hobby, diba? Moto vlogging and other stuff that I feature dito sa channel. So hindi na rin masama. So $147 in pesos, Western Union can actually have it converted na pag kinuha mo siya. So it's 7,621 pesos. So not bad. 5,000 pesos is very achievable every month as part of your YouTube income. Again, it all depends on gaano ka kasipag gumawa ng content, diba? And I mean, at the end of the day, that's what really matters. You just have to create and create and create. So ayan yung proof of payment natin from Western Union. It's 7,621.12 centavos. So in dollars, that's 147. So yeah, you can actually achieve this every month. Hindi na masama. I mean, you can buy gears. Ako yung mga pinakabit ko lang din dito kay Carrot, yung moto wall, yung alarm, etong top box na to, lahat yan dito lang yan ang galing eh. So talagang yung mga pinambibihis natin sa motor, everything, it all comes from YouTube, and obviously dun sa support na binibigay nyo, no? So yeah, thank you sa inyo mga ka-G. That's our episode for today. Just wanted to quickly share with you guys yung how we're doing with regard to our channel. And again, salamat dun sa mga sumusuporta sa channel. Dun naman sa mga haters, okay lang din. Salamat din sa inyo. Pinanonood nyo pa rin yung videos ko. Pero mas mahal ko yung mga supporters ko. Alright? So I'll see you guys again. Thanks for the support. Kita-kits ulit sa susunod. Bye.